I need you to do something for me. I need you to let me go. You have to let me let you go. In another life, maybe it was you and me. Maybe there we loved each other right, and we were happy together. Maybe in that life we did all the things we said we would, but we got this one instead. You were my friend, my love, and now a stranger. But you'll always be my favorite memory. In this life, and the next.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon from Kasol. Welcome you all back to my channel once again. This is Mahaneet here, and you're traveling with me exploring Himachal this week. So as you might have seen in my previous vlogs, we were in Manali and today we are at Kasol. We are staying in this property called the Big Rock Cottages here in Kasol. Take a look at the drone shots before I go further. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon to get all the latest updates. We started early morning after breakfast from Manali, and we reached Kasol by lunch time here, and that's the view we have from a lunch spot. This is the restaurant where we're having lunch. Check this. Hello people, how's lunch going? How's the view? How's the view? Whoa! How's the view? So this is where we are having lunch today. So beautiful. See nature, explore nature, and it has cures for everything you require. I love being in nature. What about you? Well, this is me from the beautiful Parbati Valley here in Kasol. Amazing place. All the snow-capped mountains. Here's a quick tour of our beautiful glass rooms. Check this. We'll probably walk down a bit down to the valley. That is one of the rooms. That is the reverse room with a deck. The deck outside, and walk further down. We have the first glass house. This is where Shishir is staying. This is the first glass house. It's a bit shaky and rough finished steps, but it's fun though. And this is where we are staying, at the view of the river. This is our house, the glass house. That's the view from our room. Beautiful, beautiful glass houses here in Parbati Valley of Kasol. And that's the bed came through. That's the bed. Pretty simple room, but it's nice. And then we have the bathroom. And we have door leading up. Village here in Kasol, Parbati Valley. Check out the drone shots.
What is that? Who are you? I'm Steve. Who are you? I'm Skimmy Toilet. Who are you? I'm Skimmy I am Steve.
Welcome to day 2 of our trip here to Kasol. We are in the beautiful Parbati Valley. You can see the Parbati river right down from our room itself. Crazy weather, thunderstorms, lightning, and it's pouring like crazy. And we got one more bigger news from the border that India struck Pakistan late last night, and 9 locations, and destroyed all the training sites of the militants. So we really uncertain of our trip further from here. We're getting a lot of calls from Bangalore to head back home, and we were supposed to head to Shimla tomorrow, so I'm not sure how things going to go. Stay tuned as I give you live updates of what's going to happen further. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Hope India is successful in this war against Pakistan terrorists. Cheers. Well, in the meantime, take a look at this beautiful cottage here in Kasol, Parbati Valley, as it's pouring like crazy. Check out the scenes from the room. It's all gloomy and raining like crazy. The river is flowing full flow. That's the river below. I'll check if I can get a drone shot of this once the rain stops. Nature in all its glory, nature beautiful. This is the mighty Himalayas for you. Check this out. Beautiful Parbati Valley on my back as the sun sets down here in Kasol, Parbati Valley area. It's going to be a cold night as the weather is very gloomy. And tomorrow our plan is to head to Shimla, where we're going to stay for a couple of days. From there to Chandigarh and head to Bengaluru. There's no war issue, everything should go on smooth. So stay tuned for another exciting day tomorrow. I'm going to wrap up for this particular vlog of Kasol and Manali. Hope you enjoyed the short vlog of chilling here in Kasol, Parbati Valley. See you around on my next vlog very soon. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. See you around on my next vlog very soon. Sayonara, adios and goodbye. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Thank you very much once again. Nature beautiful. Always stay in nature, enjoy every moment of your life. Keep smiling. Welcome you all back to my channel. Day 7 of our trip here in Himachal as we are exploring the famous Parbati Valley. As you can see the river Parbati, it is actually Parbati Valley. Beautiful location here in Kasol, and today we're going to head to Shimla from here after our breakfast. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned for another exciting and adventurous trip here as India goes offensive against Pak in the border area here around Himalayas. We are at this famous Manikand Sahib Gurudwar here in Kasol. Check this out. These are the hot springs of Manikanda Sahib. You can see the hot sulfur springs coming from the pipes down there. So we're checking out the cable right here, near Mandi. How are you guys doing in the cable ride?
So I was temporary. See you fixed to fill your void. Someone to hold you through your pain. Give you the warmth you craved. You said I made you feel good. Like we had known each other our whole life. Maybe you meant it. Or maybe you fed me what you thought I wanted. Just to keep me close.
After beautiful 10 days on the road exploring Himachal Pradesh, we chilled at Zion Hotel here in Shimla as it's going to be a last night. Tomorrow we're heading to Delhi and from there flying off to Bengaluru due to the whole war situation. Hope you like this entire series of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. See you around very soon on my next vlog. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, and my Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Comments right on my comment section below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Next one is going to be a sayonara, adios and goodbye. Thank you once again. Bye bye. As is the video, get a walk around of Shimla, the mall road and entire Shimla city. Check this out. Bye bye once again.